The heirs of Paulino Atienza versus Domingo P. Espidol. GR number 180665, case number 42. This case is about the legal consequences when a buyer in a contract to sell an installment fails to make the next payments that he promised. The sequence of my presentation are as follows. Facts of the case. On August 12, 2002, the Atienzas and respondent Domingo P. Espidol entered into a contract called Kasunduan sa pagbibili ng lupa na may pangunang bayad. The contract to sell land with a down payment. Covering the property, they agreed on the price payable in 3 installments. When Atienza demanded payment of the second installment of 1,750,000 in December 2002, however, respondent Espidol could not pay it. Claiming that Espidol breached his obligation on February 21, 2003, the Atienzas filed a complaint for the annulment of their agreement with damages before the Regional Trial Court of Cabanatuan City in a civil case. The issue here is whether or not the Atienzas were entitled to the cancellation of the contract to sell they entered into with respondent Espidol on the ground of the latter's failure to pay the second installment when it fell due. For our ruling, the court declares the kasunduan sa pagbibili ng lupa na may pangunahing bayad between petitioners, heirs of Paulino Atienza, and respondents Domingo P. Espidol, dated August 12, 2002, cancelled, and the heirs' obligation under it non-existent. Regarding the right to cancel the contract for non-payment of an installment, there is a need to initially determine if what the parties had was a contract of sale or a contract to sell. In a contract of sale, the title to the property passes to the buyer upon the delivery of the thing sold. In a contract to sell, on the other hand, the ownership is by agreement, retained by the seller, and is not passed to the vendee until full payment of the purchase price. In the first place,